Hello and welcome back to Tim's Station. In today's video, I'm going to give my final snowfall announcements and locations. So if you haven't been here before, please subscribe, comment, and follow me on YouTube. So, right now the storm is on West Virginia, Richmond, South Carolina, Maryland, Delaware, states like that. Tomorrow it's supposed to move into New York City, Philadelphia, New Jersey, Long Island, Boston, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Vermont, and Connecticut, and Rhode Island. Until the snowfall amount was actual amounts, Boston 1 to 2 feet. Vermont probably 1 to 2 feet, maybe more. Maine just because of how Southfield being conservative and give you anywhere from 1 to 3, maybe 4 feet. Connecticut, maybe 12 to 18 inches. New York City, 12 to 18. Philadelphia, 6 to 10. Washington, depending on where you are. Ice, snow, and ice. Coastline, maybe 3 to 6. Inland, Washington, Tennessee, 6 to 10. Delaware, 36 to 10. So yeah, that's my final forecast on this video. Remember, have your action plan in place in case you lost power and you're ordered to evaluate right now or tomorrow morning. And remember, roads will be slippery and difficult or even impossible to drive on. So, take that into consideration. Yeah, so subscribe. This is my final last winter storm update for this storm. I'm gonna continue to provide more winter storm videos for each individual storm. So make sure to subscribe and comment if it's no lover. If it's no lover, right? So sledding, skating, or sledding, or snowshoeing like I will. If it's no hater, stay inside, get cozy, and drink something hot like coffee, and chocolate or tea. So yeah, this is Tim's Weather Station. Until the next time, peace.